Hello, I'm here with Dr. Arun Banchariya, who's from the General Council of Liberia, and he's speaking and collecting the award on behalf of Dr. Melvin Korkor, who has won the Hamdan Award for Volunteers in Humanitarian Medical Sciences. Hello, Arun. Welcome and congratulations on the award.
Thank you very much. I congratulate Dr. Korkor, and I'm glad to be here on behalf of him.
Well, thank you. We're very glad to have you here today. So what did Dr. Melvin actually do with regards to winning the award?
Mr. Korkor is the actually first doctor who came across with the Ebola. Mr. Korkor was running a small hospital or the clinic in Lofa County, where he came across with a patient with different symptoms, and he found the symptoms are not actually the general symptoms. So he was become a little serious, and he made all the reports of this diagnosis to the main Monrovia, and he found this is really something wrong. And in recently, means after 48 hours and 72 hours, he came to know the patient has been died, and the same time he got the report from Monrovia that this patient was suffering from Ebola.
So did Dr. Melvin actually discover Ebola?
Exactly, you can say the Dr. Melvin, who actually really put his efforts and with his own senses, he thought we must have to be sent this reports to the main Monrovia city, and they found that Ebola has been reached to Liberia. So he's the first doctor actually who treated the Ebola patient.
So we're incredibly grateful to Dr. Melvin, and I know it's difficult to speak on his behalf, but what do you think this award would mean to him?
It's a really great mean to him, but not only he treated, but you have to be also understand that he himself got caught with Ebola. So all the 5 people, including him and his 4 members team who treated that patient, they also caught this Ebola, and they were under treatment. Out of 5, he only survived. After again he went back to his county and he started to treat the patient, and now he is again suffering with multi-disease, and he is under treatment in US. So he's really a brave man. We must have to salute him. He didn't afraid from death, and he keep providing his humanitarian services to the patient and county.
My goodness, we're so grateful to him for not only discovering Ebola, but the fact that he's actually gone on to have it himself, and luckily he's been able to find it and find cures for it already. And to go to the awards, obviously this is a wonderful Hamdan Medical Award. What do you think it means to the healthcare profession by having awards such as this?
See, this is really good to provide the award to the medical, and specifically in the Middle East and UAE, where now UAE started to support the medical area and sector and segment, you can say, the number of hospitals. Because if you go with the history in UAE, 5 years, 7 years, people were actually going out for the treatments. They were going for the Bangkok, Japan, India, UK, Europe. So now by providing and motivating the doctors and starting the communications with them is going to provide a good support to the UAE as well. So really it's really good. At the same time you are appraising the service of the doctors across the globe. This is really good. This is some sort of it's a service to the doctors to respect them and to give them awards by respecting their services.
Totally agree, well said. And do you think that Dr. Melvin would like to dedicate this award to anybody?
Dr. Korkor, I spoke with, I had just communication with him in morning, and he said, this is not only proud to me, but this award goes to all the Liberians. Each and every Liberian deserves it, who fought for the Liberia, and now we are coming out, who fought for the Ebola, now they are coming out from Ebola. So really he is very glad to hear this.
Wonderful. And if you or Dr. Melvin could take a message to His Royal Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum to say thank you for the award, what would you like to say?
I would like to say Shukran, and really I would like to be thankful to him who recognized our country doctor, and who the person actually who really fought for himself first to come out from that, and again who provided the services. So really I'm thanks to His Highness who recognized him.
Yeah.
So,
thank you so much. Shukran to yourself, and our thoughts to Dr. Melvin, who, as we've just found out, is struggling with Ebola himself. Thank you.